Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start now by signing into the Xbox profile that you want linked. Enter your Xbox email and password so the game recognizes your gamer tag. This ensures rewards and progression sync. Once signed in, open Marvel Rivals and go straight to Settings or the initial account prompt. Choose Link Account rather than creating a new profile. This step ties your Xbox identity to the game, so make sure the gamer tag shown is the one you want preserved before continuing. Now authorize the connection between Marvel Rivals and Xbox by approving the on-screen OAuth prompt. You must permit profile and achievements access so progression syncs properly. Once you tap Authorize, the game may present a confirmation code or send an email to that Xbox account. Enter that code in the game immediately. If the prompt asks for permission to access friends or cloud saves, grant it so cross-progression works. After confirmation, you will see a success message, and your gamer tag attached. Finish by restarting Marvel Rivals so the client pulls your linked Xbox profile and cloud progression. This prevents partial sync. If the link doesn't appear, sign out of both the game and your Xbox app, clear the console or app cache, then reauthorize the link. This resolves most token or session errors. Make sure your Xbox Live subscription is active. If problems continue, gather your gamer tag, timestamps, and a screenshot. Then contact support so they can trace the failed authorization.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.